Police respond to a call. Tension is already high. The camera is on. This incident turns a very quick escalation to a life or death situation.
What's in your hand?
What is in your hand?
What's on your hand? What's on your hand?
Put it down!
Put it down now!
Put it down!
Put it down now! .223 shots fired.
Put the gun down!
Put the gun down now!
Down!
23, you're on 2, go ahead.
Shots fired. Male down with a gun. We're at 33 Ernestine.
Put the gun down!
Okay, did you,
You got visual on this gun?
Yeah, I think so, no.
133, 10 9 location, and go ahead and work on getting us the channel. 33, 10 Street, 223, are you involved?
Yes, we are involved. Male's down. You can start EMS.
How far? I got everyone start. Move the channel, and start EMS on that guy. Good, please.
What's in your hand? What is in your hand? Put it down! Put the gun down! Put it down!
Shots fired.
Put the gun down! Put the gun down! Put the gun down!
23, you're on 2, go ahead.
Shots fired.
Shots fired.
Male down.
Male down, with a gun. We're at
32.
33. Ernestine.
Put the gun down!
Okay, did you,
You got visual on this gun?
133, 10 9 location, and go ahead and work on getting us the channel. 33, 10 Street, 223, are you involved? Yes, we are involved.
Male's
Male's
down.
down.
You can start.
You can start EMS. How far? I got everyone start. Move the channel and start EMS on that guy. Good, please.
Good.
Let the east side know.
Alright,
How far?
turn around.
He's hit his chest. Get him.
K97, step up EMS.
Check him real quick. How many wounds we got?
133, let's work on getting all the streets shut down that need to be shut down and getting some crime scene tape up, please.
I shot probably 4 or
3, 2 or 3. Yeah.
Maybe guys, guys, have any witnesses start collecting them as well? Somebody got a chest deal?
Officers were initially called to Ernestine Street around 5:20 on July 31st for the reports of a suspicious man walking under the deck of a house and wandering door to door. The State Attorney General's office has opened an investigation into Campbell's death. RPD says the officers involved are on administrative leave pending the outcome of the investigations.